Hey everybody, I'm Jordan. This is Mitch.
Hello.
And we're heading out to Valparaiso to Journeyman for a little car show, motorcycle show. So yeah, come on with us and let's check it out.
Awesome.
Lead the way. It's gonna be about a 2-hour ride. We're taking the fun way. Holding the beeline. As we're leaving Goshen, weather's looking good. Mitch is on a 250, one that you've probably seen before if you've been anywhere around the Janus interweb recently. It's a very special vintage red motorcycle that was featured in a video by Doodle on a motorcycle. It is the one that was in the accident, and of course repaired it back in our shop, and we're making sure we're putting some miles on it just to make sure everything is all good to go there. The repairs were very minimal. There wasn't much we had to do, a couple of cosmetic things, that was about it. Make sure everything is good to go and get ready for Doodle to come back up and finish her ride across Route 66. But first, Mitch and I must get to Valparaiso. Journeyman started up in Three Oaks, Michigan. A really cool distillery and restaurant up there. But now they have this location in Valparaiso. And so they're starting it's called the American Journey, I believe. Vintage car and motorcycle show. So of course, when they started doing that, they reached out to us to see if we wanted to be involved, and of course we said yes. So this will be the first of 3 or 4 shows this fall. And it's in conjunction with Journeyman. I believe there's a Studebaker group or historical society that's going to be out there as well. So yeah, it's going to be a fun series. We already know there are going to be a couple other Janus motorcycles there. This close to Valparaiso. But otherwise, it'll be fun to see what all brings up this awesome show. Okay, we talked about Mitch's bike. The bike that I'm on is Halcyon 450 288. This is the one that I rode out to Sturgis, the Saddle Sport 1000 on my way out. So if you want to see that video, check it down in the description or link at the end of this video. Ended up being a lot closer of a saddle throw than I expected. Like lots of things happened. But hopefully this video goes smooth. Grant is going to be meeting us out there. He's driving a van with all the show supplies and also 3 more Halcyon 250s. Nice selection of bikes out there for people to check out. Hopefully enjoy some food and It was just under 75 miles one way to get out to Journeyman from Goshen. That's a good distance to get some test miles on Doodle's Halcyon 250, and it was just nice to get out and go on a ride. So, after a quick fuel up in Walkerton, we continued west towards the destination. Journeyman has a large campus here in Valparaiso with multiple buildings and spaces. The car and motorcycle show was set up in the parking lot on the south side by the water tower that features a Journeyman logo, but our bikes were set up in the middle of the campus just outside the restaurant and right by the stage for live music. They also had a fire going, yard games, and some nice activities for kids, and a couple of other vendors set up here in the middle of the campus. If you haven't been out to Journeyman at the American Factory in Valparaiso, it's worth a visit, and we would love to see you at the next American Journey car and motorcycle show. All right, well, we got here to Journeyman. Grant's getting everything set up over here. We've got 500, which is for sale on our website. 1186. A new demo bike, 288. Demo bike's been in our fleet for a little while. And we've got a Grant. And a bunch of swag here. This location here is just absolutely incredible. They have a still here. They have a lot of drinks and food. A massive... Oh, Mitch is making a video too. They have a massive gift shop. I think they have like 4 different event spaces here too. It's pretty incredible. So Mitch on the Doodle bike made it right here. And then the other bike we brought, 1025. It's absolutely beautiful right here. So the rest of the car show is over on the other side of the parking lot. We'll walk over there. I think we're going to put a bike up there, and we'll show you everything else we've got going on. Actually, no. Before we do that, let's walk over here and check out this Studebaker Lark. That looks so good. This old Ford. Please do not touch. Hopefully we can take some video and some pictures. Wow, look at this interior. Beautiful. And I'm sure this is just a taste of everything we'll see tonight, so let's go check it out. But first, we eat. What'd you get there, Grant? Barbecue burger? Nice. Mitch, how was it?
It's good, you should eat it.
Put the camera down and eat it.
That's where the engine goes.
I was curious. Well, the sun's going down here at the car show, motorcycle show at Journeyman. Just want to get a kind of epic shot here at the end. What a beautiful location, something really cool they're putting on here. So they've got a couple more nights coming up this year yet. If you want to come out and check this out, get your bike in here, get your car in here. I don't remember the exact dates, but I'll put them on the video here so you can check them out. And yeah, hope to see you out here. This has been a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, thanks for coming along. We'll see you later. Bye.